what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day, I don't know. I am a little bit behind, probably like 3 days behind, but I'm just gonna roll with the punches and we're gonna keep going. So today's Saturday and we are home for the whole day. I think we're gonna go out one time to run an errand, but for the most part we're gonna be home. And I wanted to do today a kind of like a laundry day video. So I am putting away a ton of laundry that has been sitting there for like a week from last week. So I'm gonna put all that stuff away. I'm gonna clean the bedroom before I get to the laundry because this room is it's getting cluttered a little bit and I just need to clean it up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you get some motivation on your, whatever day you're watching this, and I hope you like it. So we are gonna get right into it.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.